This is truly American ingenuity at its best. Budmen Industries in central New York is currently 3D printing about 1,400 face shields a day.
Like in upstate New York, where one couple transformed their 3D printer business into a production line for desperately needed medical supplies.
Every day, the American people are showing the unity and resolve that has always defined the character of our nation. In New York, citizens are using 3D printers to make hundreds of face shields. They're making them by the hundreds.
That's where Stephanie Keefe and Isaac Budmen run Budmen Industries. The couple normally makes 3D printers.
Word quickly got out about the couple's efforts. Healthcare workers and others started writing in wanting face shields from around the country, including here in New York City. But they also got emails from around the world of people wanting to print their own and help others.
So the couple offered their designs on their website for anyone with a 3D printer to use.
People doing what they can for their neighbors is nothing new. But making medical devices at home because hospitals can't get them, for the time being, that's the new normal.